Hello, welcome to the second application with mouse events. This time we add more graphical user interface elements. We want to make a paint editor that we can change the color of the pencil that we draw on the form, to modify the thickness of the pencil, and we want that the drawing we've made to be saved as a picture. First, as part of the design, we need from the toolbox to add to the form a context menu strip. We have it on the form. This context menu strip is activated on the debugging mode when you click on the right mouse on the form. We need three buttons inside the context menu strip: change color, the thickness of the pencil, and save as a picture. After that, we need from the toolbox a color dialog. We have the color dialog for changing the control color. We need a horizontal scroll bar. The horizontal scroll bar to adjust the thickness of the drawing pencil, and also a label. A label that keeps evidence of moving the mouse. After gathering all the controls to the form, we press F7 key on the keyboard and we go inside the code source. We must declare a new namespace using system.collections that will generate an array list. Inside the public class, we need to declare 4 variables: private bool pencil down, that tell us when we press the mouse or not; private graphics context, creating a graphical context; private array list of points; and private bitmap image, the image that we want to output. Then, inside our public form1, after initialize component, we initialize the instance for array list of points, new array list. We set the image equal new bitmap and set the this.width and this.height. We set the context as graphics.fromImage and the image that we set, and also the horizontal scroll bar not visible equal false, meaning that is invisible at the start of the program. After creating and initialize the variables, we go to the form, context menu strip, and change color. We double click. Inside, we declare a color dialog, DLG equal color dialog. We create an instance. Then, if DLG dot show dialog method equal dialog result dot OK, then this dot forecolor, the forecolor of the control, equal DLG dot color. Then we go to the form, we double click on thickness, and we say horizontal scroll bar 1 dot visible equal true. We simply set the visibility to true. That means we activate the control. In order to save the form into a picture, we need to make a function that draws the form into a bitmap picture. We need to create a function private void save we need the control C and the string file. We create the graphics first. Graphics G equal C dot create graphics method. Then we set the bitmap picture new bitmap and set the C dot width and C dot height. Then we want the control dot draw to bitmap that take picture as bitmap and a new rectangle with 4 parameters. C dot client rectangle dot x coordinate, C dot client rectangle dot y coordinate, C dot width and C dot height. After that we say picture dot save and the file, the string file name. Then picture dot dispose. We want to release all the resources. After creating the save function, we need to go to the form, context menu strip, and press double click on save button. Inside our save button, we call the function save with the pointer this that return the control used and the string file name that we are saving, picture.jpg. We need also a message box that show image was saved. Then we create the mouse functions. We go to the form, properties, events, and search for mouse up and mouse move. Inside our mouse up function, we set if event mouse dot button equals mouse buttons dot left. Then we create a point P equal new point and set the coordinates x is -1 and y -1. Then list of points dot add the point, set the pencil down to false, meaning is not active when we press the mouse. Set the label 1 dot text equal mouse up, and we use invalidate method to redraw the graphics. Inside our mouse move function, we set the point P equal new point, E dot X and E dot Y. This is the first point to connect, the starting point. The starting point. Then if pencil down equal true, meaning is active when we press the mouse, we want that the context dot draw line and set the pen as paintbrush. The first point to connect point of list of points dot count -2, and the second point to connect point list of points dot count -1. Then set the label 1 dot text equal mouse move and invalidate. After creating the mouse events functions, the last thing to do, we want to create a protected override void on paint. A control invokes its own paint method whenever it needs to change its visual display. And also we want to set the default position of the draw image. e.graphics.drawImage and set the image and 0, 0, the coordinates. Then we go to the form, to the properties of the form, and search for context menu strip and activate the context menu strip on the form. After mouse move function, we go to the properties of the form, events, and search for mouse down. We double click. If e.button equal mouse buttons dot left, then set the pencil down to true, meaning that is active when we press the mouse. Then create a point P equal new point and set the coordinates e.x and e.y. Add to the list of points the point. Set the label 1.text equal mouse down and also invalidate. Then we go to the form, we press F5 on the keyboard or start the debugging. We see the form, we change the color to blue. We have mouse move, mouse up, mouse down, and we want to change the thickness and also to save the image. The image was saved. Then we go to the containing folder, bin, debug, and see the picture.